Fuck yeah.
So we have made it to Caffeine and Machine, we have, and I think we've shut the place down a little bit. There's just MX5s coming in, like, constantly. Jesus Christ. We are now biracial.
I'm mentally unstable.
Brown people. Brown people.
Brown people, come on.
We have many. What? Move.
Got a brownie over
Wait, no,
there.
block the shit box.
Good cut out.
No, go.
Wait, what?
Let's set. Yeah. There we go. No more TTs.
You can still see it, mate.
MX5s for the win.
MX5s.
What compelled you to buy a TT?
Turbo.
It's
Oh, is it 1.8?
Yeah.
Oh.
God's
Well,
engine.
yeah. What about the oil?
You can't see it now, so it's fine.
Okay.
What compelled you into buying an MX5?
What compelled you to driving
I
into
was
a truck?
inspired by Sims_Miata.
What compelled you to drive into a truck?
You know, I bought an
Jesus.
MX5 because I hate life and I'm retarded.
probably just. You know what someone was telling me?
Can we get a
about
food
the
review,
guy?
please?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's
Banging,
just
mate.
because he's trying to impress everyone.
Hi. I have banging pizza. I'm very drunk right now. I am lightweight.
Yeah. Get that on video too.
You actually did tell me that, man. That started speaking.
Hang on, it's a fucking Brabus.
Oh, damn.
It's not just any. Why is my leg wet?
My bad.
Genuinely.
Came on it.
Yeah, but what do you think they do?
It looks like I pissed myself.
That was me.
I do that.
They also do like a run across the UK. That was me. All super fast
Can I piss on you?
We are under the umbrella.
The Maguire's umbrella.
The hashtag sponsor.
I'm repping
What?
Sims jacket and the Kuromi.
Rev it, cuzzy. Is that what?
Sims Miata.
Where?
There.
Sims jacket. Where?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Aha!
Oh, the jacket. No, it's.
Do it. No balls. This is how friendships are made.
This is how friendships are remade. This ain't going on YouTube, gang. That might.
that's why it did so
Josh, what noise does it make?
I don't know.
Ba, 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 ba. That's what we've got to work to put back together. Should we take pictures? Yeah.
I'm actually knowing on Spine or 7 is it different? They're very expensive. And
Mate, they're like 800 quid a year to tax.
exactly my point.
There's a replica of me. He's got the same wheels.
Got no traction control, no airbags.
How are you feeling about today?
Bit moist, mate.
Bit moist.
A little bit wet.
You like it wet though?
Oh yeah.
Side profile is lovely.
No, it's not.
Connor,
Mugged off it.
Connor, what do we think about today?
Moist.
Moist.
Makes me wet.
Yo. They are very nice. They are actually lovely. Sexy car. Excuse me, madam. You're in the way of Max's garage. What do you have to say for yourself?
Oh, I'm on record. I don't like that. Turn it off. Turn that away. Well, it's not on the table.
We have at Sims_Miata's steering wheel. He's not noticed yet. Shouting. Sim! Sim!
Get a ticket.
So, we are nipping to the toilet, and then where are we off to?
I don't know what it's called. Burton, no.
Yeah.
Burton on.
No,
Burton Lazarus.
no, Burton Dasses.
That's the one.
But we have many MX5s here.
Yeah, we've done well.
There's like 100 here. No,
That's literally your one.
that's mine, just not modified.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's tons of cars here. So we are heading to Burton Dasset to go get some photos.
Right, well, we're, 20 minutes away?
17 actually, pal.
Yeah, so almost there. We had about,
I'd say between 150
Yeah.
and 200 cars turn up.
just shy of 200, especially MX5s, yeah.
Yeah. But we had people who weren't in MX5s turning up just because they wanted to see MX5s.
Yeah.
We annoyed quite a few people who didn't have MX5s because they came from Nice Day at CAF and just saw MX5s. Who doesn't want to see MX5s?
I always want to see them.
We're in a convoy of about 6 or 7 right now. You can see them back there.
Yeah.
We've told more people to come. There's more people that have gone before us. So we shall just have to see what the turnout's like.
See how these pictures come out.
Yeah. Something tells me not a lot of people are going to turn up here, but we shall see.
I think there'll be more than you think.
You say that, but I don't know how many people actually check the group chat. So
Well, yeah. But just wait and see, ain't we?
this is true. Well, this is a sight. Everyone's got their window wipers going. MX5's on crack. So there's a lot of people here. We're all stood on top of our cars. What are we doing? How? Are you having a nice rest there? Lovely. This one's just...
Wagwan Akis, we're on a hill, aren't we?
Yeah. I've just elbowed you. You are rather a large man.
Rather indeed.
Oh, so
That's not.
what even is that?
It's
Don't want to know.
It's
He's got a penis.
YouTube censorship. YouTube censorship. Okay, you go. So
I will.
we got the drone.
I invited Pete. Do we have a pump? Do we just try and ram that in it, pump it up and see if it holds?
That'll pump it in. Get it behind you with your hands on them.
We don't need this on.
Yes, we
Definitely do need
This is
to
content, man.
Max is clear of
Do you want us in your boot?
spare wheel.
So. The well's still there. There you go. The tyre well's still.
God.
Right, let's put everything back in. Just throw it in.
No, I've got one with me.
Oh, do you? Oh, fuck.
That is a setup and a half. It is currently 11 o'clock. We are back at Connor's gaff.
We are.
The MX5 did run into some issues, as you have seen, but we got Space Saver on, and then Father met us halfway, and we're now running the stock wheels, which they're there. So we're drift spec at the minute. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. It's been a very enjoyable day for everyone that came out. Many MX5s, probably about 150. So we shall see you in the next one. Yes. Adios.